daydreaming, I be blurred. All of that daydreaming, I be blurred. I don't like to feel.
All right, so it's currently around about 9:30, going on 10 o'clock now. We were supposed to actually get here around 6, but definitely overslept. That's completely fine though. We should be able to get this done in a reasonable amount of time. But today we actually have my boss's car. So he recently just picked up off Facebook Marketplace for a sale on this 335i. He's currently trying to build it to track it. So I'm really excited about that, see what he does. But when he got this vehicle, it was really dirty. So I had actually offered to do a full detail for free in exchange for some exposure and content creation for this vehicle as well. So it's actually really helpful for even anybody that's trying to look to start a business, whether it's in detailing or just garage or car content creation as well. So he said, yeah, I mean, why not? It's free. So today we're actually going to be going over the whole thing. So it's going to be the exterior, it's going to be the full interior as well. I'm going to take care of the wheels too, get them nice and cleaned up. I really do like these stock wheels. I'm not sure if he's going to change them out. Most likely for track purposes he will. So this shouldn't take too long. I'm hoping anywhere between 6 to 7 hours. I really like to take my time when it comes to this type of stuff, especially when it comes to black vehicles as well. I think I'll definitely hit it with a clay bar. The paint is a little bit rough, but nothing too crazy. There's a little bit of chips here and there, but he is going to be using it for track purposes. I don't know if you could tell in the video, the fog lights are a little bit hazy. I'm not sure if I'm gonna try and restore them today. I think they're kind of past due and it probably would be best to get some new ones. So I'm just gonna recommend that to him. And then, you know, if he goes through with it, wouldn't mind installing that as well for him. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this. Shouldn't take too long. I do have my wife with me. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get started on this and it should be pretty fun. Alright, so we just got done actually detailing the car. well, actually not detailing. We went ahead and soaked it up. We actually foamed it twice, just to get any dirt or suds that's been kind of sitting in here. But we still do got some roughness on the paint, kind of like some bud gusts and stuff that's a little bit hard to come out. So we're gonna take it up a step further. We're actually gonna go ahead and clay bar it as well. We're gonna do like a light to medium clay bar. It's not gonna be anything crazy. I don't want to mess up anything potentially that might be already messing up. So yeah, we're gonna do a light clay bar. Gonna actually use this as a lubricant. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clay bar it. We're just gonna do most of the exterior, try to get some of these bug guts and stuff out, smooth out the paint, and then we'll go ahead and hit it with a ceramic spray wax. We'll go ahead and move on to the interior, which shouldn't take too long. And we still got this engine bay to knock out as well. So I'm actually pretty excited about the engine bay. I've only worked on mines. This should be pretty fun to work on. I know it's BMW, so we'll make sure to take good care of it, make sure nothing gets like too soaked, cover up any exposed filters, stuff like that. So yeah. All right, so we went ahead, finished detailing the full exterior. I think it took us about 2 hours.
I have no idea.
It probably took about like
2. I would say
yeah, 2.5 hours. Did the full exterior. Yeah, the clay bar probably took a good like 45 minutes to do the full exterior. Try to get a lot of the gunk and stuff that was out of the wheels as well. Did the best that I could. It is a older car, has over 100,000 miles on it. Right now, we're actually about to have lunch. Take a little break before we finish up. We still have the engine bay and then the interior to do. So I'm hoping we can actually also finish that in the next probably about 2.5 hours. Right now we're just taking a break. We'll hit the engine bay. We still got to coat the wheels and tires, and then we'll move to the engine bay. Once all that's done, we'll go to the interior. So we're gonna have this lunch and then we should be wrapping up shortly.
Foi no baile de favela que tudo aconteceu. Fui duvidar do novinho, mas olha no que deu. Ele me arrastou pra treta e eu fiquei à vontade. Fui tirando a roupa toda e começou a sacanagem. Foi no baile de favela que tudo aconteceu. Fui duvidar do novinho, mas olha no que deu. Ele me arrastou pra treta e eu fiquei à vontade. Fui tirando a roupa toda e começou a sacanagem.
All right, so we are finally done. Took us about 7 to 8 hours. Everything that goes into it might not seem like a lot of time, but I say for what it is, we definitely did a good job. We hit the engine bay up, we did the exterior and interior, and we also had a chance to clay bar as well. Like we were saying earlier, it took about 45 minutes. This actually wasn't that bad, especially for detailing the engine bay. There wasn't really too many wiring issues to worry about. There were 2 exposed filters that I just went ahead and covered up with a plastic bag. Other than that, everything turned out pretty good. With the clay bar, we actually got some of the grime and bug dookie off of the vehicle. Other than that, we did hit it with a ceramic wax, and everything turned out pretty well. We tried to clean up the wheels as much as possible. We didn't take them off. Now, mind you, this is a manual. I don't know how to drive manual at all, so we had to work with what we currently have. So we just had it the way it was, got through the nooks and crannies and stuff, learned a couple things along the way as well. But overall, this was pretty fun to do. And the first BMW that we've detailed together and just in general. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Support the channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see what vehicle we have for the next episode. Yeah, see ya.